Well, you might think I would have put on makeup or um, tried to look more professional in these videos. You would be wrong. Be wrong. I'm talking here about what I've called Lesson 1, which is to help you review and harvest your Google Doc. Um, so there's a little bit in there about deductive versus inductive reasoning. The idea of a scientist who has a theory about how things are working, comes up with a hypothesis, then observes to see if their theory is confirmed, versus a detective inductive reasoning, which is, let me get it right, which is starting with the observations, looking for patterns, coming up with a hypothesis, and then having a theory. For your paper two, it seems likely to me that you've used inductive reasoning, but I don't know how you've reasoned. What we are looking at in lesson 2 is your Google Doc and all the writing you've done so far for class. And that is in order to help you pull information out, ideas that you've had about maybe what you want to research for your research paper. Your research paper is paper 3. I just can't help myself but move my hands outside of the frame. I don't know what that's about. So, in the document, as I suggested, you may look for repeated words and questions in your document. You might look for what's missing. You might try pawing. I really kind of hate to suggest that, but just picking out things and then sorting them out. Any of those methods to do with your Google Doc. Again, the intention here with this lesson is to let you look back over your work and try to come up with something that you want to do your research paper on. It's just a regular old research paper. That is, we're following. That is, you're just writing about a problem in your field and suggesting an answer to it in this paper. So, I'm in agriculture. I just realized I could do the agriculture stuff because nobody's studying agriculture at KU. In agriculture, you might do something like genetically modified crops, and they're a problem because blah, blah, blah. I don't know why they're a problem, but they're a problem because blah, blah, blah. And the way that we need to fix that is we need to have a new law that says yada, yada. Or we need to get rid of the way that farmers are paid for their, see, I don't know. I keep moving my head because I'm trying to cover up the whiteness of Herman Melville's head behind me. Like he's like peekaboo, Herman Melville, who wrote Moby Dick. Okay, so that is what lesson 1 is about. I hope that is helpful.